Furniture information. Furniture is the term used to describe movable objects that are designed to support various human activities, such as seating, e.g. chairs, sofas, stools, eating, e.g. tables, sleeping, e.g. beds, storage, e.g. dressers, cabinets, and working, e.g. desks. Furniture can be made of a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, glass, and textiles. There are many different styles of furniture, ranging from traditional to contemporary, and they can be made in a wide range of sizes and shapes to suit different needs and preferences. Some furniture is designed for specific purposes, such as outdoor furniture that is weather resistant, while other furniture is designed to be purely decorative. Furniture can be purchased from a variety of sources, including furniture stores, department stores, online retailers, and second-hand shops. When purchasing furniture, it is important to consider factors such as quality, durability, comfort, and style. It is also important to measure the space where the furniture will be placed to ensure that it will fit properly. Maintaining furniture is also important to ensure its longevity. This may involve cleaning, polishing, and repairing as needed. Different materials may require different methods of care, so it is important to consult care instructions or seek advice from professionals when in doubt. Overall, furniture is an important element in the design and function of our homes, workplaces, and other spaces, and can greatly affect our comfort, productivity, and overall well-being.